Make no mistake about it. Life will get hard. And at times, you will feel like you are drowning. So we must rise. Because only 10% of the world's population carry the hero gene. So my only question for you is, are you the 10%? Muhammad Ali, he was born January 17th, 1942. Passed away June 3rd, 2016. In an interview, Muhammad Ali was asked, what is the most essential part of your training? Now they thought it was running and punching. Muhammad Ali laughs. He says, dodging the nightclubs and the ladies. And he says, especially when you're pretty like me. Now, the lesson to extract, eliminating distractions. Eliminating distractions. Showtime, you tell me, how are you gonna eliminate distractions in your life? Wait, watch this, I'm gonna prove something to you. Earlier, you all said, I have no fear. Now, this is your moment. This is your moment. Oh, it's different when you're asked to lead, huh? Oh, so let me get this right. You want what it looks like, but not what it feels like. See, leadership is scary. Come on. That's right, come on. So, my question to you, how do you eliminate distractions moving forward?
So, I eliminate distractions by focusing on myself, not on others.
There you go.
And that's really much what I do.
How do you feel being up here right now?
I felt pretty proud of myself, It's an honor to be up here.
That's right.
In front of such aura.
There you go. Mm-hmm. No. I love it. I love it. It's honesty. Go ahead and have a seat. Let's get one more. Okay, hold up. I see a hand. Showtime. Okay. Come get this work. You thought this was a game? We playing in real time. Come on. No fear. Okay. So, same question. What distractions do you need to eliminate in your life right now? Because we all got them. Ain't like this. None of us here are perfect. And I guarantee you, some of the things that are distracting you is distracting about 80 to 90% of everybody in here too. Showtime.
Probably social media.
Hold on. Let's catch that again. Say that one more time.
Probably social media.
Social media. By the show of hands, how many people here get caught up in doom scrolling? Okay. So, now we're about to get into why this is important. Everybody, round of applause for it. Round of applause. By the show of hands, who knows who Martin Luther King is? Martin Luther King. Oh. Wait. Hold on. I told you earlier, blood, sweat, and tears. Effort! He stood up. And said, here I am, send me. That's the energy that you need. Come on with it. Who is Martin Luther King Jr.?
Martin Luther King Jr. is the one who sacrificed himself to...
Take your time.
He sacrificed himself to put the note...
It's okay. Okay, wait. Who can help him? Come on.
Martin Luther King was the one who sacrificed himself to die.
Okay, hold on. I don't want to confuse it with Jesus now. But hold on. Come with me. Come on. Wait. Hold on. Everybody, hold on. I want everyone quiet. You guys are the oldest, right? Okay. You are responsible for setting the example. Someone needs help. Where's the leaders at? Where the heroes at? No. Stand up. Stand next. Come on. Stand next to each other. Come on.
Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. was a civil rights activist and leader.
Round of applause. Hold on. Stay here. Hold on. This is what I appreciate the most. He got it wrong, but he tried. This is the second part that I love the most. Somebody stepped up. I can tell in her persona, she ain't a flamingo, meaning she ain't about that attention. She didn't even want to get up. But she got up to sacrifice her uncomfortableness to help someone else. That's a superhero. Round of applause for both of them. Make sure you guys see me at the end. You got prizes coming. Come on. Here we go. January 15th, he was born, 1929. He passed, 1968. Let's put some respect on that. Hear what I just said. He passed. His famous speech that we all pretty much know, he spoke of a dream where black people could be in harmony with other cultures, and no one should be judged by what? The color of their skin. But you know what? The lesson to extract from this? I'm coming this way. The lesson to extract is vision. Now, this is where you have to be honest. By the show of hands, how many of you don't know what you want to be in life? Raise your hand. Keep them up. If you don't know what you want to be in life, keep your hands up. So that means everybody here knows what they want to be? You know what you want to be? Okay, good. You know what you want to be? You? Everybody here knows what they want? Okay. Okay, go ahead and put your hands down. So everybody understood. The lesson to extract was what? Vision. Yep, that's right. I'm coming for you. It's time to go to work. That's right. Come on. Okay, so you a leader. You got a vision. What you want to be?
I want to be a psychologist.
A psychologist. Okay, so we got to play a game of honesty now. A game of honesty. If I go on your social media, am I going to see that?
No.
Hold on. Catch what she just said. Am I going to see that on your social media?
No.
A lot of you said you know what you want, you know who you are. But you know what happens with social media? I'm going to tell you what's happening. And I see it around the world. It's a vision problem. You on social media chasing what you like instead of chasing what you love. When you're supposed to love yourself, your actions betray you. And you know what happens to everybody after high school? I'll tell you the truth. They wind up with a 9-to-5 they hate because they didn't take it serious. And a lot of you have this attitude, which is good to a certain extent of, oh, I don't care. Well, guess what? Neither does the world. And when you need to make it in life, that's the other part that you need to have. You need people to care. Now, going back to you, with social media, how much time are you putting on that?
Like 5 hours, 8 hours.
Okay. Do you love your family?
Yes.
Would you say if you became what you wanted to be in life, they would be affected?
Yes, because I would help them.
Okay, now let me show you what Martin Luther King did. You ready? Martin Luther King's vision was so big, we're still affected by this day. Martin Luther King's vision that he had for all of us to be in peace and harmony, we're still dealing with it, right? Racism still exists. It's not news. That's yesterday's news, right? But is there a difference between now and then?
Yes.
So his vision, even though it was so big, it was bigger than him, that it was for everyone else, including his family, the people he loved. Is your vision bigger than you?
Yes.
Or is social media bigger than you? Who's taking your time?
Me?
So think about this. When we're scrolling for 8 hours, right? And we go, man, I don't want to be here. This is why vision is so important. Listen to me, you guys. I'm sure you're not that much familiar with California. I came up in neighborhoods where I was like, I can't live here no more. I can't be here. It was hard. But I had to hold on to a vision on myself that God had a plan for me. Does that make sense? So the vision had to be bigger than me. Think about it. A vision is something that you see in your mind that you work on that is not quite built yet, but you see it. And that vision is going to carry you through. If you do not have a vision for yourself, this will affect your career, your love life, your family. I see it all the time. People who do not have a vision for yourself. The Bible says this every single time. A man or a woman without a vision, you shall perish. And what you put your time to becomes your God. So if you are on social media strolling 8 hours every single day, how close is that vision coming?
Not very far.
What grade are you in right now?
8th grade.
How long ago, put it like this, when you were in 5th grade, doesn't that feel like it was just yesterday?
Yeah.
Guess what? When you graduate, you're gonna look back and go, whoa, I'm 30. It happens to, ask any teacher in here. Time goes quick. So the time to work on the vision, and I'm about to get into it, but I'm gonna tell you the truth. Most people that we admire, they never saw 80. Martin Luther King didn't see 80. So what are we talking about? Maybe 15 years? Maybe 10. Maybe somebody's gonna get cancer. Maybe someone's gonna get in an accident. You playing with time that you shouldn't be playing with. Life's not a game. So why are we playing?